You gotta ride this thing.
Dropping these little dirties off at school. Joe's bringing something pretty cool. So, I mean, you know Joe, he likes speed, he likes power, he likes Yamahas, he likes to go fast, and he likes time machines. So, I'm sure it's a Yamaha that's gonna go hella fast. But you guys stick around and find out. Shit, you wanna tell him about it?
2020 Yamaha. It's got about 17,000 horsepower, so.
Yeah. Damn. That sounds like fun.
1800cc supercharged.
It's supercharged too? Oh yeah. Jesus. What's something like that cost you from Yamaha? 18, 20,000?
Double trailer with 18 grand.
18? Jeez, dude.
Intake, exhaust.
You pull tubes with it a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wakeboard.
Hell yeah, man. It's got cruise control.
It does.
That's crazy, dude.
It only says 70 on the dash. You put GPS on it, it'll do about 81.
Really?
Yeah.
70's pretty fast on the water.
It's pretty damn fast.
Man, that's slick, dude. You gonna fire it up here for him, or you gotta have it connected to a hose?
I want to make sure it's gonna start first.
Oh, gotcha. All right. Damn, boy, you trying to lose this sucker or what?
Brand new tires, boy.
Look at your hubcap. You about to throw her off.
Oh, I know. You're gonna
That's
get that
much
on those
better.
big jobs.
Yeah, no. New tires. They told me the hubcaps wouldn't work with these tires, so I was like, what? Damn, bro, you're gonna be down like 4 of them. Lost him there for a second, boys. Y'all ain't gonna see me ride it like that. Nice. It sounds like you're shifting it sometimes.
Do what?
It sounds like you're shifting it sometimes.
It's kind of let off.
Yeah, and then
It's kind of like, what you call it, I forgot what they call it, where it like spins.
where what spin? Oh, where it just doesn't move. Hell yeah.
Got me a nasty Arlington Lake enema.
Got you a yeah, dude. Slid off the back a little too far. Man, that's pretty dope. You wax it or what do you put on it?
Mothers.
Mothers? Just all beads off. What kind of mods you say you did to it?
Intake, exhaust, tune, blow-off valve, fizzle intercooler, 1320 impeller. That's it.
Yeah, you can hear it if you dog the shit out of it. It sounds like it's not getting traction.
Yeah.
You gotta like let go and then get back in it.
I need to do like an aftermarket intake race so we can keep up with the rest of it. I just haven't done it yet.
Oh, gotcha.
It's a big motherfucker though.
Yeah, dude. This sounds fucking awesome.
Got you a built-in beer holder.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's custom.
Does it grip on pretty hard? Is that custom or it surely it came with that cup holder, didn't it?
That's custom.
Is it? No. It is when I put beer in it.
Yeah.
Did it come with the speaker? Or did you put that on there?
I put that on there.
Cool. How many hours it got on it?
That's a good question. I haven't checked. I've only changed the oil twice. Both times I have more than 100.
If it does, then I'll know you're getting your money worth.
62.9 hours.
Damn, dude. How long have you had it?
October 2020?
It's got more hours on it than my Ranger.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I'm on the lake like twice a week usually.
Yeah?
I use it a lot.
Hell yeah.
And when this motor pops, forging it, putting a bigger supercharger wheel on it.
What kind of warranties it got on it?
None anymore.
Oh, because you did. Yeah. Well, it had a pretty sweet one.
It's got the Jose warranty.
Yeah, the first mod I did was get rid of the warranty.
Yeah. That one doesn't hold you back. I actually want to take it to Florida, and I want to go from Tampa Bay, Florida to the Bahamas.
Oh man,
on a jet ski.
how long a ride's that?
It's about 6 hours.
Yeah.
You gotta have like 3 5-gallon cans, passport. You have to have
Yeah,
like
so
a
you're definitely
satellite
with it.
phone so you can call someone if you need to, like the Coast Guard.
Oh my goodness.
But they do rides out there like that.
The water calm enough to just buzz across it as fast as you can, or you think you're gonna have to just go with the flow?
You can do 60.
Yeah.
Is what they say for gas mileage. What you're supposed to do.
Well, I mean, just I don't know about if there's some good chop out there. If you're gonna be catching some fucking air.
No, it's mostly. Like
You ever caught some air on it?
One time.
Will a boat wake even do it?
One time I caught air off of a cigarette boat.
Yeah.
And,
It was moving pretty
I
good.
wasn't expecting it. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, he was doing about 80, and I just came at him like 90 degrees, and their wake was like probably 3.5 feet tall, and it definitely got air.
Did it land on the back end or the front end?
It kind of submarine landed in the front,
Where the hell's the motor at?
right under the seat,
Oh, okay.
kind of towards.
Because it doesn't. Hell, I've had other skis that want to stand up a lot more, but I guess it's just so long, huh?
Big motherfucker,
It's
dude.
just so long,
It
yeah.
was like 850 pounds.
Jeez.
Shit.
Man, Yamaha's the way to go.
For the win.
Yeah.
Yamaha for the win, always. Crazy.
Oh, yeah, that's got instant power.
Thing's crazy.
A two-stroke, you got to kind of get into it. Like, you could hold it all, and then it'll be like,
It'll rep for a while and then pick up.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing will, that's a lot different. That's a lot different than any ski I've ridden, but.
It is, man. It is. And I used to race skis. I had a GP 1300R two-stroke with nitrous. They would do like 80 back in 2009,
Right?
and which was really fast back then.
Oh, yeah.
But like, it weighed maybe half this size, and this thing would just eat it alive.
Right.
You can just tell by the butt dyno.
By the butt, yeah. By the forearm pump.
Right throttle, left is reverse.
You know what I like about jet skis the most? No brakes.
The best part.
Real two-stroke kind of life.
Sick. How do I turn that screen off? It goes off?
Yeah, it'll just turn off.
That thing's got a lot of power.
The throttle response is insane.
Yeah, I know. I like it. It almost sounds like it's turbocharged, bro.
Yeah, I got a 48 millimeter blow-off valve on it, a tile.
Oh, I got you.
Thing rips.
Dude, it does.
It'll move some air.
Yeah, man, that's a pretty fancy ski.
The same company that makes the Mitsubishi Evolution motors makes this motor.
Oh, really?
16 valve, 300 horsepower.
So that's the same motor, pretty much.
Yeah, it's an Evo motor, just with a supercharger instead of a.
It's got tilt wheel on it, too?
Yeah, it like comes up, so when you're standing, it's like up here.
Oh, gotcha. That's pretty neat. Damn, dude. This thing's badass.
Dude, go rip that mother around the lake, bro. Put this camera on your head and go fucking shred.
Where to?
Anywhere, dude. The lake's really, really small. You can probably tour the whole lake in like 3 minutes.
You like blew across, like, oh shit, he's on the other side of the lake. Oh, he's back.
That's it.
He's back. Is there a speed limit out here?
No. That's why I buy them new, bro, because used jet skis are just a fucking problem.
Oh, yeah, I know. That's such a thing.
Do all the preventative maintenance and just don't worry about it.
Wait for this to fully load and then start it usually?
Yeah.
That motherfucker rips, dude.
First impression.
It's pretty cool, man. It does make me kind of want one, but I don't know. I can't imagine ever riding it. I've had a few jet skis and I only ride them like twice a year, but if I had that mother, it might be a little bit different, you know what I mean?
Flies, floats, or drives. It's a bad investment.
Dude, that thing fucking...
It's right here.
That floats and flies and drives, I think. And you just filled it before you came out here? And we went through what, 5% of it already?
We're at 98%.
Oh, okay, 2%. Damn. That's pretty.
1000cc fuel injectors.
Sheesh. There's 1800 cc's?
1800.
That's crazy, y'all.
16 valve. She's a bad bitch, bro.
Oh, I know, man. Damn.
This is a bad motherfucker right here.
There ain't a fucking drop of water in this motherfucker.
See the aftermarket water box back here with the exhaust. There's the aftermarket. Came straight through the hole. I had to get a fucking 4 1/4 inch hole saw and punch a hole back here.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah.
To put the exhaust on?
So sketchy.
Oh, well then it bolts on at least. So it's got like a big rubber flange, don't it?
Yeah, it's got like an inside and outside flange. The hardest part was getting on the inside to get these fucking bolts through, dude. It took me about a fucking
Oh, it's a
week.
screw with the nut.
Yeah, it took me about a fucking week to do that.
Damn, dude, that
honest.
sucks. So how many horsepower you think it is right now? About 300?
They're 300 stock. I'd say with everything on it now, it's like 350.
Jeez, dude. That's a lot of power, man.
More than my truck.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, no shit. Damn, don't forget your seat back there, Holmes. Well, boys, hope you enjoyed the video. That's a pretty badass jet ski. Makes me want to get one, but at the same time, I think we're going to get a boat for the family to be able to take out, and then I'll get me a jet ski. But just wanted to get you guys something different. I took the Argo with me. I didn't like the deep water too much, put it to you that way. She took on a little water. She took on a little bit of water. Dude. Turned right here. Leaking from all these spots. She's pretty full, man. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We're not gonna worry about that. We're not gonna post that. We're gonna worry about that. So I took the Argo with me, but we didn't really have time but to just put it around a little bit in the water.
Turn left.
It did paddle better in the open water. It floated fine, but it did take on water quicker than I really anticipated. So I was in the water 30 minutes at home. Apparently I wasn't in near as deep. So anyways, guys, we appreciate you. Be sure and like and subscribe. Lots more to come. So that was a fun ride on that ski, and
At the stop sign.
got something else
turn
coming up
left
for you
onto
guys
North
real
Holmes
soon.
Street.